sustainable access to safe and clean water is our inbuilt goals for any water project that we do. And we believe that very low-tech, simple solutions which are replicable and can be understood and managed by the community are very important. And that's what we believe by innovation. It doesn't have to be high-tech, it doesn't have to be expensive.
Source sustainability is we have first focused on creating access and supplying water. And in most of the cases what happens is when you create a source and the demand is increased, there is all possibility that the source get dried up.
Before rainwater harvesting, there was scarcity of water, but now the water is very tasty. Rainwater used to flow outside, but after the rainwater canal was constructed, water goes into the tank and gets filtered, and we're able to use it well.
This was a place of no use earlier. There was no way to store rainwater in this pond.
There is always possibility that there is some spillage and wastage of water. In order to even recharge that wastewater, we have created the soakage pit so that there is no stagnation of water and no breeding of mosquitoes, and at the same time recharging the groundwater.
Hand wash chesappudu liquid gaani
While washing hands or when we wash utensils with liquid or solid soap, that dirty water should not enter the first stage. And in the second stage, there is a coal and coconut fiber in this process. The oily substance will be filtered out.
I term it as a zero water discharge school. So that has been created as a model. Children at the growing age, they can learn and they absorb the new innovative things at the early age and try to practice and also disseminate the information.
In order to ensure that there is self-sufficiency in the services that have been rendered to them, we ensure that there is a pool of grassroots technocrats who are honed, who are skilled, and they are deployed back in their respective communities.
Checking this once every 15 days will help us know the water level and how much it has decreased. We use this mobile application to calculate the life of the borewell. Due to the high fluoride content in water, a lot of people in the village show symptoms in their teeth and body.
This creating access at the doorstep is really helping them a lot and saving a lot of time and their health also. And we are providing very safe water, so that is one reason that their health also is improved. I feel very happy that community is very happy.